DSE 2020年 MC 第27條，咁呢一條題目係經典嘅電場同埋磁場嘅平衡題目。佢就話一個 negatively charged particles goes undeflected， 亦即係佢直直咁樣穿過咗一個由電場同埋磁場所建立嘅一個 field 啦。咁佢就問以下邊一個嘅改變咧可以 cause 呢個 charged particle 去到 deflect downward 嘅，亦即係我哋想要將呢個 negatively charged particle 啦，佢向下咬嘅。咁我哋遇到呢啲題目嗰陣時，我哋就可以用一啲公式啦。咁第一個公式就係喺個 charged particle 喺 magnetic field 所受到嘅公式 Fm 等於 BQV sin theta。第二個就係 electric field 嘅定義 E 等於 F electric field 啦 ，F electric over charge。咁將佢調一調位，我哋就會發現 Fe 等於 EQ。咁將呢條，因為佢 goes undeflected 啊嘛，咁呢兩條式 Fm 就等於 Fe 嘅，咁所以咧我哋就可以寫 BQV sin theta 等於 EQ。咁因為 Q 兩邊都有啦，所以我哋鏟埋，跟住 theta 呢度係90度嘅，90度嘅話咧，咁係等於1嘅 sin theta 係等於1。咁所以咧 V 咧就可以寫成 E over B 啦。咁接下嚟我哋睇方向喎。咁呢個 electric field 咧係有一個口訣嘅，叫做正出負入。咁正面就會打一啲類似 electric field 嘅嗰啲 line 啦。但係因為佢係一個 negatively charged particle 啊嘛，咁當佢係 negatively charged 嘅時候咧，佢所喺 electric field 所受嘅力咧係會同 electric field 嘅方向所相反嘅，所以呢度 electric field 係向下，但係佢個 particle 所受嘅力咧係向上嘅。跟住咧，我哋嚟睇magnetic field 啦。magnetic field 咧，我哋就要辨別佢嘅方向咧，就要用嗰個 left hand rule 啦。left hand rule 嘅話咧，就記住就係大指公係 F。食指係 B， 中指係 I 啦。咁因為 electric field 因為呢個 charge particle 係 negatively charged 啊嘛，咁 negatively charged 咧，佢嗰個 current 咧就要向後嘅，亦即係咧同佢嘅運動方向所相反嘅。跟住咧嗰個食指咧，即係嗰個 magnetic field 咧就要向下，因為佢係個交叉。咁所以咧，我哋通過呢個大指公所得出嘅 conclusion 咧，就係嗰個 magnetic force 咧係向下嘅。咁佢問邊一個 changes may cause the particle to deflect downward 啦？咁其實無非就係減少呢個 electric field 或者增加呢個 magnetic field 嘅所以睇第一個選項啦 ，increasing the potential difference across the plates。咁我哋想削弱個 electric field 喎，反而嗰個 increasing the potential difference 咧係增加咗個 V 嘅，增加咗個 voltage。咁就會導致咗 electric field 變強啦。咁所以第一個選項咧係錯誤嘅。第二個選項 increasing the magnetic field of the magnitude of the charge on the particle。咁其實佢係增加 Q 嘅喎。咁我哋留意翻我哋頭先所推論出嚟嘅呢條公式啦 ，V 等於 E over B。咁當我哋個 V 咧，佢係想要係 constant 嘅話咧，佢呢條式咧其實係我哋可以注意到佢係唔受 Q 所影響嘅，亦即係咧佢係 independent of the charge particle， 所以 independent of the charge 啦。佢無論幾大嘅 charge 都好啦，咁佢所接受嘅佢都會佢嗰個 electric force 同埋 magnetic force 佢嘅變化咧都係等大等值嘅。咁睇第三個選項咯，佢就係 increasing the particle speeds entering the region， 咁增加呢個 particle 入場嘅速度。咁我哋睇翻呢一條式啦，即係呢一條 F 等於 BQV sin theta。咁 V 增加咗。咁 Fm 都增加咗，即係 magnetic force 都增加咗咯。 咁喺呢種情況下咧，咁佢向下嘅力係會增加嘅，係會導致咗，所以佢就會受到一個 net force 向下啦，係會導致咗佢 deflect 向下嘅。所以第三個選項咧係正確嘅。所以答案咧就係 B 啦，B for boy。